Now you've probably heard of OpenAI, and that's actually why you're watching this video. Well, I'm gonna be going over 5 ways you can make money with ChatGPT and different OpenAIs. Now it has been taking over the internet and it's been everywhere.
ChatGPT.
It is blowing my mind.
And what I've been doing is trying to figure out different ways you can make money with OpenAI. The release of this is literally world changing and can lead to amazing opportunities for you to become literally a millionaire. The rate that this AI can provide services for you is insane. And it's so human-like that it's literally so useful for so many things. Now, before I start this video, let me show you an example of a business that made $10 million in the first day of going live. And it's called Lensa. Now, you might have seen Lensa blowing up all over TikTok organically, and it's actually taken them no ad revenue or AdSense to blow up their business. How'd they make $10 million? Well, basically what Lensa does is make it super easy for you to turn pictures into animations. Now, doesn't that sound cool? But the problem with this is that there's AI that does this for you. Instead, you go onto Lensa and pay $10 for an upright payment and think that you're getting a great deal because you think that they're making all these amazing AI drawings. Now, the reality of this is that they took coding and AI from different websites that are kind of clunky and weird, and they input it into this app and advertised it organically. Now, what this led to is people being interested into this app and then paying for it. As we speak, Lensa is still making millions of dollars just by using this AI to create drawings of photos, and that's where the real opportunity comes in. If you're watching this video, do not show it to anyone else. Be quiet, okay? This is between both of us, and this opportunity is literally crazy. Actually, you watching this video shows how early you are to OpenAI before everyone else hops on it. So let's get into the top 5 opportunities for ChatGPT and OpenAI all over the internet. Now, the first one is kind of crazy, and it's called copywriting, except you can use ChatGPT and it makes it super simple. Now, how are you gonna make money copywriting? You might have heard about it on Andrew Tate's Hustlers University, and there is an amazing way that you can make money with it. Now, what copywriting is basically you write a product description for a product, and if someone copies it, then you can sue them. But the main way you make money is that you copyright for different people's products. So let me show you an amazing example right now. All right, let's say you're on Amazon and you want to write a copyrighted or description for this product. Now, as you see, they already have a description, but let me show you how simple it is and how easy you can write descriptions for other people. So I'll put this into OpenAI. So I'll put a couple of the keywords into ChatGPT's OpenAI, and I'll simply say write a description on this product. So look at this. It's literally writing a description or copywriting a description for you. These are all original words right now, and these haven't been used anywhere else. Now, let's say you think it's too short or you think it's not funny. I'll say, can you make it longer and add comedy? Now, literally look at this. It is making it longer and adding comedy.
Damn, that's crazy.
Now think about the value you can add to people's websites or product listings. You can even use this on your own dropshipping websites or your own product descriptions, which can really help with keywords since you use keywords all over it. So this looks amazing. Now here's how you can make money. You go over to Fiverr and you look at these copywriting listings. Now what we just did was copywriting, but in 10 seconds. Now if I go to this example right here, she's charging $100 for 300 words. Now that's not the problem. The price kind of makes sense, but you can charge super cheap. The real problem is how long it takes. 3 days. Now with OpenAI, you saw it took only like around 10 seconds, and that's where the real money comes in. You can offer 2-hour services where you say, oh, send me a couple keywords of your product, and I'll make you a giant copyrighted paragraph of why it's so good. Now here's the second thing that you can even get paid more for. Now here's why this is so crazy. Let's say they don't like the first description or copyrighted description you give them. As you saw, I just said, can you make it longer and more comedic? Well, the AI did that in seconds, and that's why you can get amazing tips on Fiverr, and also you can provide such amazing services on Fiverr. Now the second way kind of relates with copywriting as well. So did you ever wish that you knew a different language fluently, or you could just like type in a different language because there's so much more money opportunities if you knew the second most popular language in the world? Let's say you did know Spanish, but you had to do a project on something like the product we literally just went over. So I copy and paste the exact same thing, but at the end I add in Spanish. Now look at this, and this is gonna amaze you. It writes it in fluent Spanish, a new, original, different description of the product. Now, if you guys aren't amazed, here's how much money you can make with this technique. Imagine copywriting like this, except you could do it in a different language. Now look at this. People are charging $5, which you're gonna be like, oh, okay, that's not that much. But once again, you open it and they have a bunch of business days so that their product or service takes way too long. And this is where you hop in again with the OpenAI, and you can make such a big profit since this is untouched untouched. This guy takes 2 days to deliver his Spanish SEO copywriting. You can take 2 hours with OpenAI. Now, not only that, you can also do translations, but make it more fluent. Now, a lot of you may just say, oh, use Google Translate and do that. But if you go into Google Translate and copy and paste it, it does have a lot of mistakes. But with OpenAI, you can confirm that it's gonna be in perfect Spanish, since it's taking all the Spanish on the internet and giving it to you. Now, this third side hustle is gonna amaze you guys. So let's get right into it. Are you tired of writing customer service and having to write back to all your buyers? OpenAI literally writes back to your customers with human-like writing. Now, if that doesn't yell opportunity, what does? You can then again offer or even tell OpenAI to code you a website that offers 24/7 customer support. And you can kind of take the coding from OpenAI and use that to make money. Now, this goes back to Lensa, how they kind of took something from OpenAI and made a website. I'm giving you an insane idea that you can offer customer support for 24/7, but all you have to do is figure out how to code it and figure out how to make your own app or website. Now, let's say you don't want to do that, then you can just hop onto Fiverr like I showed you already. Now, you can also use Upwork. It's actually a great website for offering customer support as well. Now, as you can see, there's people making hundreds or thousands of dollars per day offering customer support on Fiverr. Now, since you're using OpenAI, you're gonna have to do almost no work. Now, let's say you're too lazy to even do OpenAI. You can hire someone from India for $3 to $5 just to manage it and kind of copy and paste things into OpenAI for you. They then can reply to your customers, and then now you have set up a business for 24/7 customer support, and your money will start rolling in like that. Now, once again, like I said, you can do it in different languages, so this opens up your business to the whole entire world. Think about how hard it would be to find 24/7 customer support like websites in Russia. There probably isn't a lot, but if you offer a professional one, then you will make thousands of dollars. Now, this next one is for all the dropshippers like me, and this will literally save you hours of time. Are you ever designing a website for hours on end and you're kind of getting tired of it? You don't want to keep doing this every time you find a new product. Well, introducing Sidekick.ai. This is an AI that will make you a website storefront, and they'll make it simple. Just like OpenAI, you can tell them what you want to do and they'll make it for you just like that. Now, here's the crazy thing, it's free.
Wait a minute.
Now, there is one problem. There is a wait list for it. Now, you can also just sign up and pay a $50 monthly fee. And the cool thing is that you can make this back right away by offering super cheap website designs on Fiverr.com or Upwork. The other thing is that you can dropship so easy now that you will probably pay back that $50 per month like that. Now, this just shows you the power of AI and how you can tell it what to do and it will make you a website. You may be thinking that's not that special, but let me show you what else Sidekick does. It'll actually input keywords into your website. Why is this so important? It is using AI technology to figure out what are the most trending keywords for your website niche. Now, the cool thing is that this means that you'll get sales organically. Now, what's organically mean? That means $0 have to be spent. All you would have to do is set up your website so that it is public, and Sidekick will literally recommend it and find a way, find buyers who are looking for your product with its amazing AI technology. Now, there is other AI technology that can also help you set up ads, but we can get into that a different video. So do you ever wonder why a website asks for you to sign up before you can purchase something? Well, they might be selling your email to people that need it. Let's say you're signing up for a simple thing like Instagram. Well, believe it or not, Instagram sells your information to people who are offering lots of money just to get your contact information. They might want to email you about a certain product that you're interested in. And guess what? ChatGPT gives you information like this. It almost feels illegal.
FBI, open up!
But I don't think it's illegal. All you have to do is kind of reword your question. And you kind of got to work around it because they are trying to patch this. But if you guys get to this soon enough, then you can build your own websites super big, or you can sell this information to people who are seeking it. People are willing to spend thousands of dollars just for emails like this. And that's why you always see people advertising it. The cool thing is that you can sell email lists anywhere. All you have to do is a little bit of research and you can find a website where you can literally sell email lists. And you may even be able to sell on eBay if you try to. Now, the way you can do this is kind of reach out to companies as well on Instagram. It may take some time, but with this technique, you will make a lot of money and you'll make it with 0 to no effort if you try. I would recommend reaching out to smaller companies since they will need the email list or cold list of emails to slowly build their brand. And if those emails work, then they'll come back to you. Now, the cool thing about ChatGPT is it does try and give you up-to-date emails, but most of them are from 2021. Now, this could lead to a problem of people changing their emails, but but no one really changes their email at, so you'll probably still be messaging people. I hope this helped out. Watch this video to see if I make a profit dropshipping with $0, and make sure you press over here to subscribe so that you can see more upcoming videos like this one. We're all gonna become rich, boy.